Hello everyone, I am Nafisa Sarwa here.
And I am Shaista Siddiqui here. Today we have come here in debate round and the topic of debate is social media good or bad for us? I am against social media because as we all know that social media is just destroying the life of students. We are getting addicted to it, so I don't think it is good for us.
No, the matter is not so, because I think with the help of social media we can know many current knowledge and we can also know what is happening all over the world. So I think social media is good.
No, Miss Nafisa, I don't think so, because for knowing that what is happening around the world, we can also watch news channels on TV. So I don't think so it is good for us.
But you should also know that nowadays there are many homes in which there is no TVs, but if we talk about the mobiles, everyone has their own mobile. So I think with the help of mobile, with the help of social media, we can get we can know what is happening all over the world easier than the TVs.
I think you are right to some extent, as you are telling that TV are not present in each and every home. But as I think the topic of debate is should students use social media or not? And I think in social media, especially the things that come which are not helping us, like in Instagram, students are just scrolling the reels, and in YouTube also. So I think for watching news we can have just channels like news, and that are not under social media. Social media is mainly Facebook, Instagram, Snapchats. They are just destroying the life of students.
But if we talk about YouTube, with the help of YouTube, there is Physics Wala. With the help of that, many students are preparing for JEE, NEET and very many competitive exams. So you can't say that with the help of YouTube or many apps we can't study. I think we can study easily.
Yes, I also agree with you that YouTube is helping students who are not able to purchase the batches. They are getting free education with the help of YouTube. But this is the topic of education. But most of the students are 90% of the social media are not helping us in getting our education. Like, what's the role of Insta? What is the role of Snapchat? Or what is the role of Facebook in getting education? There is nothing role of them. But you will see that the time which a student give to social media is majority of the time are given to these apps, not the times are given to study for education.
But at this point I think that it is the mistake of student, not the mistake of social media. And there are many things with the help of social media we can know, like for example, we can, if we are traveling somewhere, with the help of social media we can know where should we travel or not. So I think in many ways social media is helpful for us.
Yes, you are telling that social media is helping us to get information, but we don't take information from social media. We take information from Google or from that places that help us. Not Instagram or these types of apps help us. And you know that students are just so much addicted to these things that these apps are decreasing their mental capacity. Students are not able to focus in classes. So I think these are the problems which a student face due to social media.
But I have already told you that it is not the mistake of social media.
But if there will be no social media, there will be no problems like this. The main reason is social media.
Yes, you are right.
According to us, social media is neither good nor bad. It's just depend on us that how we are using it. If you will use it in a good way, it will be good. If you will use it in a bad way, it will be bad. And we should use our mind and use social media in a good way.